Hi guys, this is Banisolowazi TV channel. Guys, as you see photos here in the channel, those photos are from the young guys of 30 years who was busy baking all types of cakes. He hired a baking stove from other shop to do the job. But in the long run, the owner of the shop decided to increase the rent of a stove that the young guy hired. The young guy never managed to pay 5,000 rand a month to the owner of a baking stove. He decided to bring back the stove to the owner, and his business of baking and his dreams disappeared since then. But he never sit down and relax. He tried to make his own stove by using an old fridge to fulfill his dreams. Guys, this young guy is willing to teach youth on how to bake cakes, but the problem is a stove. Please guys, help this guy. You can donate anything you can. I'm sure you can help this guy. Please contact me on 071 75 68 692. I repeat the number 071 75 68 692, or contact him. His name is Phumlani David Mthembu. His number is 072 757 34 32. I thank you.